You know, one of the best things about Thanksgiving, I think, are the leftovers. We all love the turkey cranberry sandwiches on homemade rolls, but my next guest, Heidi VanValkenburg from Rolls Bread, she has a way to transform those leftovers into something totally different, something kind of bizarre. It's a Thanksgiving pizza.
It is, and I didn't even think of it being bizarre until you said that, but I just think it's great because you've got all these leftovers, and it's like, do you really want to just eat the same thing again? So we've got a new twist on it. So what we did is we took our dinner rolls and we did 9 of them.
Okay.
This is one of those times when you just let them go and get them warm and bubbly, and then you can make your pizza crust.
Okay.
And we're gonna par-bake this. So I've rolled this out and I'm gonna poke it with a fork. That's just to help so you don't get the air bubbles.
Okay.
Okay, and then I'm gonna pre-bake my crust 8 to 10 minutes, okay?
Easy and done.
350, 8 to 10 minutes. 9 of the rolls I put together are the dinner rolls.
Okay.
So I have my pre-baked crust here ready to go. And then what I'm gonna do for the bottom of it, I know, is this crazy?
Mashed potatoes?
Mashed potatoes. You're gonna put your mashed potatoes on the bottom. Okay. And then I'm gonna do my chunks, just some turkey chunks right there. This is about 1.5 cups of mashed potatoes.
I mean, it all kind of meshes together on your plate anyway. That's the glory of Thanksgiving dinner, right?
Right, but this is gonna come out in true pizza form. We're gonna actually be able to cut this out. So we're putting this on the bottom, the mashed potatoes, no tomato sauce, just those mashed potatoes.
Right.
1.5 cups. Then I've done my chunks of sorry, I'm gonna go with my stuffing.
Stuffing next.
Stuffing next. So this is like a cup, yes.
On the mashed potatoes, on the pizza crust.
And then we're gonna put our turkey and our cheese. So we'll top it off. And the cheese that I used mozzarella cheese and cheddar cheese, and I mix those together. And it's 3/4 cup of mozzarella, 1/2 cup of cheddar that's gonna go on there. And these are just your turkey chunks after you've made your turkey. Now, to top this and finish this off, I'm gonna put this in my oven. I'm gonna bake it for about 5 to 10 minutes.
You're really just heating, right?
Yeah. I want to melt this cheese. And then when it comes out and it's nice and warm, what you want to serve that with
is
leftover gravy.
Of course.
And your cranberry sauce.
Guess what? I don't even have to try this to know I'm gonna love this because I am a turkey gal. I love Thanksgiving dinner, and why not put it on a pizza crust?
Well, yeah, and the day after Thanksgiving is usually Friday night pizza night. So we're gonna have our pizza on the day after Thanksgiving.
I think it's bizarre and brilliant at the same time. And you have other brilliant ideas for us on your website.
We are so ready. We have our warm and serve rolls. If you don't want to do rolls for Thanksgiving, we've got our warm and serve straight from the freezer to the oven. Really easy to go. Twists on stuffing. We've got stuffing recipes with sausage, cranberries, and apples. So we just have lots of fun, different ideas for Thanksgiving that maybe you wouldn't think of.
Do you know what I love? In a lot of families, there's a traditional bread recipe, right, that gets handed down. In my family, it was Rhodes. We had Rhodes for Thanksgiving dinner growing up. It was my grandma's secret bread recipe, you know? So for us, that's just tradition. That tastes like home. So thank you so much.
You bet.
We'll link you over to the Rhodes website. From our website, you can also go there to get today's pizza recipe, but I mean, easy as easy does, right? Assemble it, throw it together. It all looks great. That said, many, many other recipes to get you ready for Thanksgiving are posted for you. We like to take this time to remind you they're at studio5.ksl.com. Right there in the recipe tab. We've got weeks, in fact, of recipes from the turkey to the stuffing. It's all there, and years of recipes if we want to get specific going back over the years here on the show. We're here to help you out on the food front. So there on our recipe page, you'll be all hooked up.